Hey loves, this is Momentum Mastery. Use momentum to do the hard things first. Why did I say that so slow? Hey loves, this is Momentum Mastery. Use momentum to do the hard things first. Momentum is the strongest early. Avoiding hard tasks drains momentum. Delay creates weight. When you delay things, you're creating this weight that's heavier. By the time you go to do it, it just seems like, I don't even want to do this anymore. It's so it's just all of this weight you built up by procrastinating. Avoiding the hard tasks is draining the momentum where we should be thriving in it and living in that vibration of like success. You don't have that when you avoid it. It's like downhill, if anything. You're just getting worse and worse. So we need to act fast. Doing hard things early creates flow. Relief follows. Hard first. Easy later. Do the hard things first. Get it done. Be stronger and then use momentum to do everything else. That's easy and it just flows and you're having fun throughout your day and in your life in general. Discipline sharpens confidence. Confidence fuels momentum. Your discipline that you're going to show up no matter what is sharpening your confidence, and then your confidence in it is fueling your momentum to go forward. So you're just like, let's do this shit, and we're gonna grinding, and we're just having fun, and we're getting shit done, and it's just, you're living in this flow state, and it's so confident, it's so powerful. But you need to have the discipline to start it, right? You need the discipline to get there, to then get confidence, to then live in momentum and just shift your whole identity in your whole life. It's beautiful. Progress accelerates after resistance. Progress accelerates after resistance. Always. Your progress is going to skyrocket because you understand that the resistance that you're facing right now when getting shit done, doing tasks, because you do them and you decide to follow through for what you say, your words, you are just gonna compound over time. You can't even see the future right now, and I don't even think you should predict it because you will grow in ways that are unimaginable. I've been in this journey for 8 to 9 years, and holy shit, I would never could even imagine where I'd be in the future and the skills I know and who I am to this day. So trust me, this resistance, if you can just get past this right now, your progress is going to accelerate in ways that you can't even comprehend right now. It's insane. But it takes that, that first step. The momentum reset. Do the hardest task first. Here are some affirmations for you to use. I face hard tasks. Courage fuels momentum. Action creates flow. Start strong. This is video 11, Momentum Mastery. I got you guys. I'm here with you. We're in this together here in Growth Group. We're all flowing. We have discipline and consistency, flow state, momentum up. Yes, it will be like the stock market, but of course it'll always be up. And of course you might lose momentum sometimes, but then you tap right back in and it's fucking powerful and you're just getting shit done. Everyone here in this community has different goals, and now we're here to help each other make those goals, whatever your goal is. As long as we show up for ourselves and tap into momentum, you will succeed. You will be better every single day and you will grow. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.